Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making Spanish red beans on the Instant Pot. Stay tuned, coming right up. This is a super easy recipe. If you love Spanish beans with rice, you will love these beans for sure. Let's go over the ingredients. 16 ounces of dry beans. I soaked them in water overnight. 3 cups of water. 1 chicken bouillon cube. 1 teaspoon of adobo. 1 teaspoon of sazon, or 1 packet of sazon. I do make my own sazon though. If you make your own sofrito, 2 cubes of sofrito or 2 tablespoons of sofrito. Black pepper to taste. On your Instant Pot, set it to bean for 30 minutes and pretty much just dump everything in. Press start, walk away, you'll come back, you have Spanish beans ready to eat. And our Spanish beans are done. You guys probably want to see what the beans look inside the pot, right? I bet you do. Come on, get closer. So here are my Spanish beans, looking delicious. Now we can go ahead and taste for salt and pepper. They're usually on point, but you never know. And as always, they are perfect, right on point. And here you go guys, the perfect Spanish beans. You can use red beans, black beans, white beans, any kind of beans. We don't discriminate. Enjoy. Now all you need is some Spanish white rice, right? Guess what? I have a recipe on how to make Spanish white rice. The link is in the description box down below. Guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Check out other recipes. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.